Are you ready to get your Washington State ID, instruction permit, or driving license? Well, I've got good news for you. There's a simple way to pre-apply online, anytime, anywhere. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started. If you previously had a Washington State ID, instruction permit, or driving license, you can skip this pre-apply process and begin your knowledge and driving test registration. First things first, head to the Washington State Department of Licensing website. Search pre-apply on the DOL website. Under the pre-apply section, click on Login or Join. Choose License Express for individuals. On this page, fill out your first and last name. Create your username. Enter your email. And create your password. Once you've done that, check your email for an activation link. Click on the activation link and it will redirect you to the DOL web portal. Put in your username and password you had created prior. Next, choose the types of documentation you want to apply for. If you're a U.S. citizen, you can choose the enhanced license. Otherwise, you may choose the standard license. Now, input your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. If you don't have a first or middle name or social security number, simply click the blue link for the next steps. Sometimes the DOL system might stop you from continuing to the next page for multiple reasons. If an issue occurs, please contact the DOL or visit the nearest DOL office to get your DOL number. Continue by filling out your contact information, physical appearance, and residential address. And remember, double-check your address to make sure it's correct. Now, it will ask if you've previously had a driving license or permit ID card. Simply select yes or no. Finally, review all the information you've entered and click the Submit button. Congratulations! You've completed the pre-apply process. You'll find your DOL number in the top left corner. This number will be used to register for all knowledge and driving tests, and it's also your future driver's license number. Again, if you receive an error message from the DOL system, please contact the DOL or visit the nearest DOL office for your DOL number. And there you have it! Pre-applying online for your Washington State ID permit or driving license is quick, easy, and convenient. So what are you waiting for? Get started today!